Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this is 5 waves up for an A. I still think this is likely an A, B, C of wave B, which should take it down below these two previous lows before we get another more significant push to the upside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's actually very clear this is a downtrend over here, which is why I think it's a wave A, possibly a wave 1, more likely a wave A. I think this is very clearly also 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. I think that, yeah, we may be going up right now for a pullback, but that's actually great news for us because that should eventually give us a really, really good opportunity to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are definitely turning up. Now, technically, we haven't broken any structure to the upside, so we can't really say that this downtrend is over. I still think this downtrend is a wave 1. Whether or not it's over is still questionable. I mean, it kind of seems more likely like it would go down possibly one more time. Like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go down for wave 5, and then go up and break structure and make a much more significant pullback for the wave 2 before it goes down for the wave 3 to form that pattern that I was showing on the weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, we do have some breaks of structure on the 4 hour. So the trend is technically up on the 4 hour. Now it could be a correction to this last wave down right here, which is the last little series of lower lows, lower highs. So I'm watching these Fibonacci levels very, very closely because if we do get a very significant bounce, nice engulfing move to the downside, nice break of structure, then I definitely would take that as a short for continuation of the downtrend. If it doesn't do that and it just makes, normal fib bounces, no break of structure, no engulfing move, then definitely continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely in a move to the upside. And so far, we do not have a break of structure to the downside, and we definitely do not have like a lower high or anything like that. Watch these Fibonacci levels very closely. If one of these fib levels gives you a fib bounce with a break of structure, then I would definitely at that point stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. It doesn't have to happen at the 50%. I mean, it easily could go up to a higher Fibonacci level before it actually breaks structure, or possibly it could just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up with no breaker structure. That's why I like the trading strategy so well, is because we're not really too concerned about where it's going to turn. As long as it keeps on making those higher highs, higher lows, we'll just keep on going long every single chance we get. And when it does break structure and give us that end of a trend or end of a correction signal, we'll stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.